So I was looking for a wireless keyboard and mouse in Amazon, and finally I found $13 change, that is for somewhere around $14 keyboard and mouse, which is good. USB charging. There are three different modes of Bluetooth. One is with dongle, another is Bluetooth 5 and 4.5. So finally we got our package over here, and let's open it. If I open it, you see the box is huge, but what do we have? Scrap, and there we go, our keyboard. So this is the keyboard I'm talking about. Looks good, aesthetic wise. The mice is not that good, but still okay. I was like interested about keyboard, not about the mouse. So if you see, this one has the dongle, the Bluetooth, and the battery power. So let's open it. So there we go. So here we have some paperwork which says that it has Bluetooth 4.5 and 5. Sorry, 4.5, and there is a radio frequency of 2.4 gigahertz. And the functionality of keyboards, how many modes are there, keyboard, multimedia keys, package content, everything. So as per this paper, what do we get inside this package? One wireless keyboard, which is this, one wireless mouse, we have it over here, and one user manual in our hand, and a type C charging cable. Yeah, let's see. So here we got our mice, and there you go, the keyboard. It's bulky. Okay, let's keep this aside. Where is there we go. So we got a type C cable, not a complete charger, it's just a type C cable. And let's keep this box aside and bring our main items in front. So let's first start with this. So this is Bluetooth mouse. See this. So it has a dongle over here, an on-off button, and a charging port. And this is how it looks. The design is sleek, but I didn't like this. Apart from that, the main attraction is this keyboard. See, this is what I love about this keyboard, that this is completely a one physical block of piece which has an on-off switch, a type C. If you see, it has a type C charging port with an on-off switch, and this beautiful looking keyboard. So just I'll show you how it looks. Yeah, the keys are amazing, and the color is the used white, blue, and red. Fabulous. I really love this keyboard. I'll use it for a couple of days and then I'll get back to the final review. Yeah, it sounds good. Let me try to connect. Let's see what's the way to connect it. Yeah, when we turn it on, there's a LED blinking which says Windows. If you see, oh, it's not blinking anymore. It's blinking. So now it seems like it's in pairing mode. And let me go back to my laptop. I'll show you here. So when we go back to Bluetooth, yeah, we don't don't see it anymore. Okay, so I think there should be some way of connecting this. We need to read the manual. Was that? So yeah, hmm. Charging the keyboard and mouse 2 hours before first time use. If you find the mouse curses, the mouse is used. Okay, so we need to switch the mode. Press Fn plus 3. Fn plus, let's say, 1. Yep, there you go. So now we see Bluetooth keyboard, and let's connect this. Yep. And set up the Bluetooth keyboard. Press the right side of the shift key, left shift right button, that is Z, then right shift left button, that is question mark, and then done. And I think we're almost good. So if you like to, yo, it works fine. Works fine. Yep. There you go. The keyboard is very easy to pair, and it's like 3.7 volts, 10 milliamps, and the total 105 keys, and the transmission is 10 millisecond delay. So it's good for me. And the keyboard is like kind of heavy, but the aesthetic and the features, thumbs up. Okay, see you. Thank you for watching this video. I think you like this keyboard, and I'll leave the link to this keyboard in the comment box or in the description.